Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best sofa clip-on arm table available in the market, the SINWANT Couch Arm Tray. If you love enjoying snacks, drinks, or even working on your laptop from the comfort of your couch, this is the accessory you need. First off, let's talk about the design. This stylish bamboo tray measures 15.3 inches deep, 9.8 inches wide, and 1.7 inches high, making it the perfect size for various needs. It has a natural finish that adds a touch of elegance to your living space. What sets this arm tray apart is its space-saving design. With a simple clip-on mechanism, it easily attaches to most couch armrests, up to 12.8 inches wide. Say goodbye to bulky side tables that take up precious space. Versatility is key. Whether you're having a meal, watching your favorite show, or just enjoying a drink, the SINWANT Couch Arm Tray has you covered. It even includes a 360 degrees rotating phone holder, allowing you to watch videos at any angle. Perfect for binge watching your favorite series. Stability is another strong point. This tray features high-quality hinges and non-slip silicone pads that prevent shaking and slipping. You can confidently place your drink or snacks without worrying about spills. And let's not forget about the extra silicone strip. This little addition accommodates thinner phone cases, ensuring your devices fit snugly in the holder. It's all about making your experience as seamless as possible. Taking care of your tray is a breeze. Just wipe it down with a damp cloth, and it's good as new. The bamboo material is durable and designed to withstand everyday use. So, is the SINWANT Couch Arm Tray worth it? Absolutely. With its practical features, stylish design, and affordability. Priced at just $32.99, it's a fantastic addition to any living room setup. If you're interested in elevating your couch experience, check out the link in the description to grab yours today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product critiques. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.